quiet this weekend.
No, sir.
Wife is gone
My
for
name
the
is not
annual
Brad
lipo
either.
suction.
Well, I must say, I don't know either,
Gravity
sir.
is like the most far-out thing ever, man!
Well,
Stupid.
I think it must have been a wrong number. You
Hey, I
take
just
care
saw
now.
your fleet. Where are y'all gonna be in a couple hours? Okay, well, what about that gut-busting burrito y'all had on special last week? Is it still on special?
You still owe me a drink.
I meant to say.
Hey, girl. I don't like bitches bumping me.
I'ma tear your ass up.
Yo, man, where you at? I ordered that pizza like 3 hours ago, man. Cypress Flats? I don't live in no fucking Cypress Flats, man. What the hell?
Hey, remember me? It's Mama.
Look, man, I gave up on you guys, man. I went to Cluckenbell instead. I got me some wings. I thought you was dead.
Whatever.
Free next time. Now
I need to hit a
remember,
ball.
I like
Now.
Hey,
Hi.
grab a beer?